ka-inspired! Kumusta naman kayong lahat dyan? At nandito na naman ang inyong GLA teacher for this afternoon. Ready ka na ba sa susunod natin na topic? Naku, exciting to! Dahil ang ituturo ko na naman sa inyo this afternoon ay ang how to sell our inspired perfume effectively. Pero bagong lahat, huwag kang magtaka sa filter na ginamit ko dahil gustong-gusto ko yung flower na nasa tenga ko ngayon. Pero guys, huwag niyo nang pansinin yan. Focus tayo sa learning this afternoon, ha? How to sell inspired perfume effectively nga ba? Now, here are some strategies that you can consider. Ready? Alright, number 1, you should know your product. Have a product knowledge. Dapat alam mo kung paano siya ginawa at kung saan siya ginawa. And you should know the types of perfume like the Eau de Toilette, Eau de Parfum, and etc. And you should familiarize the unique features and ingredients and the benefits of inspired perfume. Number 2, identify your target market. That include the age, gender, and preferences. This will help you tailor your marketing efforts and reach the right audience. Number 3, create brand story. Develop a captivating brand story that's communicate the inspiration behind inspired perfume. Highlight the craftsmanship, quality, and emotions it evokes. Number 4, utilize the social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Leverage social media platforms to showcase the perfume's visual. Engage with potential customers and create a community around the brand. Use high-quality images, videos, and influencers to promote the perfume. Number 5, ito yung usual na ginagawa natin. 2, give testers or samples. Provide samples and testers of inspired perfume to a potential customers. This will allow them to experience fragrance firsthand and increases the likelihood of a purchase. Number 6, collaborate with influencers. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers who align with your target audience and have an online strong presence. They can promote the perfume through reviews, sponsored events, or giveaways. Number 7, provide exceptional customer service. Ensure that your customers have a positive experience when interacting with your brand. Respond promptly to inquiries, address any concerns, and provide personalized recommendations. Number 8, offer incentives and promotions. Create special promotions discounts or limited time offer to incentivize customers to try and purchase inspired perfume. This can help generate excitement and drive sales. Number 9, attend trade shows and events. Participates in relevant trade shows, exhibitions, or events to showcase inspired perfume in a wider audience. Network with industry professionals and potential customers. Number 10, collect and utilize customers' feedback. Encourage customers to provide feedbacks and reviews about inspired perfume. Use this feedback to improve your product and marketing strategies. Remember, effective selling requires combination of product knowledge, targeted marketing, and excellent customer service. Adapt these strategies to fit inspired perfume and target audience for the best results. Oh, iba talagang may alam. Kaya panatilihin ang good learning attitude.